In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image to FigJam. Start by opening your web browser and heading to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your files and boards. You don't need anything special prepared ahead of time. Just make sure the image you want to use is saved somewhere you can easily find on your computer. Once you're on the Figma home screen, look for the area dedicated to FigJam. You'll typically see a FigJam section or tab along with a list of your recent files. Click FigJam to create or open a board, or simply choose one of your recent FigJam boards if you want to add the image there. This takes you into the FigJam canvas where you can work with sticky notes, shapes, and of course images. Inside your FigJam board, find the plus button in the top toolbar. This button is used to insert items into your board. Click the plus button and you'll see a search field appear. In that search field, type the word media. This helps you quickly locate the media option without scrolling through a long list. Media is the tool you'll use to bring a picture from your computer directly into the board. Click the media option. Your computer's file picker will open, allowing you to browse to the image you want to upload. Popular formats like PNG, JPG, and GIF work well here. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, click the file you want, and confirm the selection. FigJam will begin uploading it right away, and then it will appear on your canvas. When the image shows up, it will be placed on the board at a manageable size. From here, you can position it wherever it makes sense for your project. If you need it larger or smaller, use the handles around the image to adjust its size. You can also align it with existing content on your board so everything looks neat and intentional. That's the entire process. Log in at figma.com, open a FigJam board, either a new one or a recent one, click the plus button, search for media, select it, and upload your image. If your image doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to finish uploading, especially if it's a large file. Keeping your images organized on your computer also helps you find them faster when the file picker opens. You're all set. With just a few clicks, you can bring visuals into your FigJam boards and keep your collaboration clear, engaging, and easy to follow.